Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. As expected, the Trump tariffs kicked in. The American market had a meltdown. Then the Asian markets had a meltdown. Then the Indian market is currently going through its meltdown as I'm recording. It's 11:34 in the morning at the time of the recording. The market is down 300 odd points. Broadly speaking, everything in our list looks fine and dandy, ripe for the picking, as they say. There are people who will feel nervous, I can understand. There are people who are feeling anxious, that I can understand. But these are the times which we have always famously said, we joke about it saying, when the blood is on the streets, that is when you should be buying. All those sayings are great and effective at motivating us, but when the opportunity and the time comes, it is a time to act. But it is a time to act in the sense that we continue buying in tiffin coffee ranges. We are nowhere near looking at lunch or dinner or anything else. And I can understand the immediate question is why? There's a bunch of you who will go jumping at the screen going, why, Vinod? Why can't we go lunch, dinner right now? I don't know. This may be the lowest low, then from here it will go back up all the way to 26. Maybe it will, I don't know. But maybe it could also go, like the people are feeling scared. It can go from here to 19, who knows? The point is, that is not of our concern. Our concern is to keep investing in steady, slow increments and to slowly build our wealth over a period of 10 to 15 years. We're not here to gamble. We're not here to put a whole chunk of change in the market, then hope it bounces back within a short period of time and pull it all out in a book of profit or think of anything else. We are not here to sell anything. Like I said, keep it in tiffin coffee ranges. If you're getting excited, calm yourself down in any way. If it's a negative excitement, calm yourself down. If it's a positive excitement, calm yourself down, because this is here to stay for some time. There is no clarity. If you follow the news, what is happening with this tariff, you'll get a real understanding of what is happening, because even they do not know what is happening. Even he, before he came out in the Rose Garden and he spoke, the rumors was that he hadn't even decided what the tariffs he was going to announce, how much they were going to be. They were still in deep discussion. That's how much planning has been put into this. This is how much thought has been put into this. There's a complete absence of any kind of real plan behind this. This seems to be like shoot from the hips and then see what happens is what seems to be going on. So you can be rest assured there's going to be far more confusion going forward. And already there are talks that he's going to put some more tariffs on the pharmaceutical sector. So you can expect some more rattles in the market as we go forward. And to boot, we have someone like Mr. Kennedy running the health services there. Then we have Dr. Oz coming in. So I really don't know what is going to be happening as far as pharma is concerned. So keep all this in mind, right? Yes, the rest of the world is looking ways and means to unite, because we usually had Americans being the leader for us, and we all unite behind the Americans and we all listen to whatever they say, and we all say, okay, the city on the shining hill, and we'll follow whatever you say. For a change, now the rest of the world is like, okay, I think the grand old uncle is kind of gone cuckoo. Now what do we do? There's a vacuum. And this kind of uncertainty the markets do not like, investors do not like. Everything is on the table. We have articles coming out saying gold will go to 56,000 rupees for 10 grams. Will it happen? Sure, why not? But for it to happen, a lot of things have to come into play. Anand spoke about it on Instagram. If you missed out, go see it. In essence, what he's saying is it all depends on the interest rate. Someone like Paul Volcker has to be there to do this. And even if someone like Paul Volcker is there to do it, the America which Paul Volcker experienced and the America which we have today are two different Americas. They're not the same. The American appetite for debt is much higher, and they seem to be swallowing debt by the truckloads. So this cannot be done. If we do raise the interest rates, it's only going to be more painful. So that will not be done. And if anything, what Trump is doing will bring the American economy to a deep, fast recession. And if that happens, interest rates will actually be cut. And if interest rates are cut, more dollars will flood the market. If more dollars flood the market, gold prices will tend to go up. Same time, when I say this argument, don't immediately think that you should take all your money right now, not buy stocks, not buy bonds, and just buy gold. No, please don't do that. Don't immediately take everything which you have and say, I'm going to buy completely gold fully on gold. That's not the strategy here either. If you have a lump sum, look at a quality bond, stay invested in a bond, take the interest from that and look at whatever you wish to look at, which is gold Bs and the stocks which are there in our consideration. If new stocks come to consideration because of price correction, some of those diamond needles become viable, you can look at those. Things which you've been imagining to buy for a very long time, which are like a moonshot for you, if they come into consideration, you can definitely consider it. Let's say Tata Consumers comes to a PE of 20, definitely you can consider it. If Trent comes to a PE of 20, definitely you can consider it. Titan, these are like big brands in India. As far as we are looking at, we are going to have some instability, some turbulence will be there. But do remember, the Indian economy per se, in certain ways it's insulated, certain ways we are exposed. And that is why we said, as far as IT companies are concerned, please wait. Don't jump into IT. We had said pause even in IT ETFs, because look at this, what is happening with the dollar and the rupee. From 88, it's come down almost 5% and it's 84.9, 84.8 when I was recording this. I do not know where the dollar will finally settle with all what Trump is doing. So, there is a lot of uncertainty. What we can do is things which we know you can look at and keep buying in Tiffin Coffee range and moving forward. Because like I said, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, all of this will be in the past, all of this will be in the rearview mirror. Even the threat of AI will be in the rearview mirror, because AI would have come into some form by then. It will have all settled down. The life of AI in the world will become something which we are part and parcel of. It won't be something which is new and turbulent 15 years from now. So what is a real concern for me is the youngsters who graduated during the COVID times, who are hoping to have a career now. This turbulence has come one after another, and what Trump has done is only going to really hurt them the most, I would say, because those young people from Gen Z who are trying to get a job, get a career, to get something going, to build something, it's going to be that much harder in this kind of an environment. So my thought goes out to them. As far as we as investors see the opportunities and buy, like today I bought Tata Motors, Zydus I bought, because these companies are at value, and I bought it at Tiffin Coffee ranges. I logged off, I haven't even gone check the price, at what price I bought it or what it was. I saw it was value today, I invested my small money and I moved on. And then I was preparing to record, and today I even went to a temple inauguration near our offices, and that's why I have the sandalwood paste on my forehead. So I moved on. Yes, I do look at the news and I do see what is happening, but there's only for you guys, for you to keep you informed and trying to be right in what I'm telling you. But other than that, on a personal level, I don't look at my portfolio and see how many percentage points I'm up or how many percentage points I'm down. Don't do that. It'll really give you a lot of mental agony if you do that constantly. Try not to do that at least, okay? I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope you're looking forward to your weekend. Saturday, Sunday, I have some interesting videos laid out for you. Me and Rupesh have put down something which you guys have been asking for a long time, which is the discounted cash flow method of calculating. I've given you a hack which will come on Saturday. Then on Sunday, I'm talking about PEG, or known as a Lynch ratio, and how we can use that to evaluate stocks. These are some interesting tools to have now that the prices are correcting. So to see if the PE ratio is correct or not. So that's a great bit of information that I'm shared with you. I hope you find the time to watch that and learn some of that. And I would love your feedback for those videos. If not on the video itself, at least on Instagram, reach out to me and let me know what you thought. Nothing else more to say. Hope have a wonderful evening and have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday morning with some more turbulence, which I'm sure will hit us over the weekend. Thank you for watching Be Rich today. Bye.